right, in this beautiful morning, I want to talk about CAD integrations. So CAD integrations, for many years, were about how to manage CAD files. So CAD files are messy, and there are a lot of CAD files, and to manage versions and access to CAD files, it's a hard thing to do. And that's why CAD integrations with the PDM systems allowed seamless integration to manage files, store CAD files on the vault, and manage access to these files, including versions. So I want to talk about other aspect of integrations with CAD systems, and this is about how to get data from CAD design in a granular form and make it available and make it use of this data in a different places and downstream processes. So for example, I want to calculate cost of the product, and I need to get an exact quantities of parts and components in multiple designs. Or I need to extract mass of the parts or geometric sizes and make this information available for contractors and suppliers, so make it available in this information available for different purposes. So all this information is hidden in the files, and it's very hard to extract this information and use this information. So at OpenBOM we created a unique set of CAD integrations that can help you to solve this problem. That's absolutely unique, and you can get OpenBOM integrations, CAD integrations, and start using these integrations just under 5 minutes. Take a look on the link to this video, which takes you to the blog with all videos that demonstrate you how you can start using these integrations. So you can see another interesting changes in this market today, in the market of CAD systems. The problem of PDM that was so hard for many years today is solved by CAD on the cloud. So sometimes it's called cloud CAD, sometimes it's called software as a service. So great examples of those systems is onshape, and another great example of the systems is Autodesk Fusion 360. So those systems are hiding the problem of CAD file management for you, but at the same time, the problem of extracting data that needs to be used for procurement, purchasing, production planning, supply chain, and contract manufacturing remains as hard as with no PDM system, because the access to this data in a granular form, it's hard. So take a look how OpenBOM solved this problem. You will find something absolutely unique. There is no such integrations that can work with any CAD system, that can connect to any piece of CAD software running on the cloud, extract this data, make this data easy available inside of online OpenBOM for any purposes, for calculations, for data sharing, and for contract manufacturing. So that was Oleg with OpenBOM in this beautiful morning on Sunday. Have a great weekend, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.